Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the wheel brakes on this 2021 Toyota Rav4, and I'll also be showing you how to put the wheel brakes in service mode. For doing this, you're gonna use a scan tool like this, which I'll include the link in the comment section below. You plug it in to the OBD port and put the vehicle in accessory mode. And I'm gonna use the scan tool plugged in. You have to use your cell phone to actually use it. The app is on your phone, and from there you're just gonna go to add the vehicle, have it with the van, and then you go to system selection so you can put the vehicle in service mode. It's a little bit time consuming when you try to do it the first time, and so you have to download the actual option on your phone. So I had to speed up the process here. So you're gonna go to chassis and go to parking brakes or EPB, and EPB full release here, and it's gonna wait until the timeout here, and you'll be ready to do the brakes. When you're done, the OK here, once you push the OK button, it's gonna take the vehicle out of service mode for you. So to start, you're gonna compress your caliper with you can use this flat blade screwdriver. Another note is you do not try to compress the caliper without putting the vehicle in service mode, or you will damage it. So let's remove the caliper bolt here. It is a 40mm, and I'm also gonna use a 70mm wrench to hold the nut in the back, because they have a tendency to spin when you try to remove the bolt. So I hold it like this. I need my two hands to do this, and to get the bolt off. I only remove the bottom bolt. So what I'm gonna do is swing the caliper up and slide it out the bolt, just like this, right? And I'll put it over the control arm, and I'm gonna inspect the slider pins. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is a 70mm. I'm using a ratcheting wrench to break the bolt free. Good. And the same thing for the bottom part. Now I'm going to try to take the old brake pad out. They are stuck, and I think that's why the vehicle have a power station actually. Use the old one. And I'm gonna remove the old clip. Make sure you have them before you remove it out of the caliper bracket, because sometimes when you buy new brakes they don't come with them. Make sure you have them. If not, you can leave them in place and just clean them up with the wire brush, and you'll be just fine. But since I have new ones, I'm gonna replace them. Good. Gonna use the wire brush here to clean it up and to take the surface rust out of it. It's pretty good now. Now let's install the new clip. Make sure you pay attention to the orientation of the clip, because if you don't, it will rub against the water. So make sure you pay attention to the way I install them. You see the little part here sticking out. You want them to be facing away from the water, and you'll be good to go. Good. And now I'm going to re-grease up the caliper slider pins. Good. Now we're going to clean our water. I'm using the wire brush here, but if you don't have I'm gonna be using my cookie wheel to clean it up. If you don't have the cookie wheel, wire brush will work just as well. And make sure you wear your eye protection before you use that tool. Very nice. Now putting the new water on. Some waters do come with rust protection. make sure you clean them up with brake cleaner or soap and water. Good. Now I'm gonna put the new clip. Make sure your new brake pads come with those clips. If not, you can take the old one out and install it on the new brake pad. And we grease the brake pads a little bit. Only that part when I say grease the brake pads. And you just put them in, press down on the clip on top and push it in the caliper bracket. The same thing, push it down, you'll go in. Good. We're gonna install our caliper bracket, and that'll be it for today, guys. And put the bolt in, and make sure you pump your brakes before you go for a test drive. And don't forget to take your vehicle out of service mode and recalibrate the parking brake. Thanks for watching. We are back in the vehicle, ready to take it out of service mode. As you guys see here, the parking light flashing. Right, so you're going to calibrate the parking brake and go from there. I'm gonna show you how to do it with the scan tool. You see that little red light flashing? So it's out of calibration. Let's go.